Hello viewers, welcome to CaTalkies. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the power of SIP for investing in mutual funds. Now to understand this, we'll have to take a small example. Let us say you're 21 and you've just been offered your first job. Well, congratulations. Now you're a smart person and decide to invest 5,000 rupees every month out of your salary in mutual funds. Now let's assume that you've invested in a fund that has given a return of 15% historically. अब आप सोचेंगे क्या सीए साहब, हर महीने 5,000 रुपए की इन्वेस्टमेंट से क्या ही होगा? बहुत ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, बस आप करोड़पति बन जाएंगे. What? No way! Yes guys, it's true. Let's use this SIP calculator and see what happens. I've entered 5,000 rupees as the monthly investment and 15% as the expected rate of return per annum. 10 years later, when you turn 31, the value of your portfolio will be 14 lakh rupees. Uske bhi 10 years baad, when you turn 41, the value of your portfolio is going to be 75 lakh rupees. And by the time you're 51, your portfolio is going to stand at a whopping 3.5 crores. So you can see for yourself that by investing only 18 lakh rupees over a period of 30 years, your portfolio could be worth crores. Now do keep in mind that these are only estimated returns as there can be fluctuations in the market. But this is going to give you a great idea of the immense power of systematic investment plans. This SIP calculator is available on the website of Grow. If you want to use it, you can simply click on the link below. So don't delay, invest early and make money work for you. Take care.